Our adventure begins with a scenic drive of 13.5 kilometers from the highway up to the Twin Lakes. On our way up to the lakes, we were treated to a magnificent view of Mount Gintabon being slowly blanketed by fog. Our first stop is here at the Kabalin-an pond, where you can find Salix tetrasperma trees growing out of the mirror-like surface of the freshwater pond. In the mountains of southern Negros Island, 12 kilometers west of the town of Sibulan, Negros Oriental, peacefully lie the captivating lake Balinsasayao and its twin lake, equally breathtaking, Lake Danao. Lake Balinsasayao is a protected natural park, home to an expansive ecosystem and great biodiversity. Together, let us explore this exciting destination. These two deep crater freshwater lakes rises 1,000 feet above sea level and is separated by a narrow mountain ridge. The mountain ridge is situated in a hollow between four mountains, that is Mount Manghugot to the south, Mount Calbasan to the north, Mount Balinsasayao to the east, and Mount Gintabon to the west. Lake Balinsasayao lies to the northwest of the ridge and Lake Danao to the southeast. Here at Lake Danao, we finally arrived. It was a short descent to the lake by way of a man-made stairway made from flat stones. The majestic and serene lake slowly unfolds before our eyes, as with the silhouette of the mountains behind it. We hope you've enjoyed exploring this exciting destination, Lake Balinsasayao, a protected natural park and home to an expansive ecosystem and great biodiversity.